Your reading and assignment this week revolve around another section of the ADIME note, monitoring and evaluation. Here, you determine what should be monitored and evaluated based on the signs and symptoms from your PES statements. To bring this into sharper focus, let's look at these sections of the nutrition care process. Our terminology revolves around food and nutrient intake, anthropometric measurements, laboratory data, physical findings, including swallowing function and appetite. An example of monitoring and evaluation could be for a patient who wishes to lose weight. Here we need to set up frequency of follow-up visits, check weight progress and effectiveness of learning strategies, determine what needs tweaked. We're looking to see if our intervention strategies are affecting the outcome data. In other words, a purposeful weight loss and ongoing compliance. All right, and then let's move on to assignments. So for this week, this is a low-stake assignment, one that you're, sorry, let me rephrase that. This assignment is a low-stake one as you prepare for the Unit 1 exam later in the week. Assignment 1, and I'm going to open that up. Okay, here we go. Asks for monitoring and evaluation sections of the ADIME for Mrs. Lowry. I've included several things for you. First, the original case study from way back at the beginning of the semester. And then I've crafted a mock nutrition intervention prior to discharge. And then this week's assignment involves a few questions to you about monitoring and evaluation. So let me scroll on up through here, giving you a little backstory, and then we have the assignment. So you have to read all of the information I've provided in this document before you come to these questions. All right, and so there are just a few. They appear rather simple at first glance, but they do require some critical thinking. Then complete the remaining monitoring and evaluation sections of Mrs. Lowry's ADIME note. So you will have accumulated content on your ADIME note for Mrs. Lowry, perhaps editing that a little bit as you've received some feedback throughout the semester. All right, and since you've now finished the whole note by this point, you should sign it and upload it along with assignment 6A. There, you're finished with your first ADIME note. The remainder of your week can be spent preparing for Unit 1 exam on the chapters read thus far, Blackboard content, and review the checkpoints. I would also encourage you to review all of the chapter post-tests. Good luck on the exam and have a great week.